This is me. I was a sly dog, wasn't I? Alright, maybe not so much. This is me holding my first camera. Look at that Spider-Man beauty. My second camera, my third camera, you get the gist. For as long as I can remember, I have loved the mountains. I can say the same thing about skiing. Yeah, that's me, look at me go. That's me scurrying along to get to the top of Shikora. What a hustle.
Put your arms up in victory.
But I've had a love for the White Mountains for my whole life. Hell, my parents found out they were pregnant with me up there. My dad told us stories of the times he climbed Mount Washington in the winter. Since then, I have been overly infatuated with the thought of standing on the tallest point in the northeast United States. I mean, I've climbed it twice already, the first time ever in 2015 and the second in 2017. It was a dream come true, but now I have another dream. I'm going to climb it again, in the winter, within the next 2 years, mark my words. This is just the beginning to a whole nother story. This is the beginning of me standing 6,288 feet above sea level in the winter. Every year we go on the Saco trip, which is usually the closest I'll get to the White Mountains, other than the rare trip we do to the Whites. This summer I hadn't gotten close to them besides the Saco, and I was certain I wasn't going to get up there. I needed to get to the mountains. It's the last day of summer. I have no clue what to do. You good?
I hate Massachusetts with this driving passion.
Same. I need to go to the mountains.
I need to go to the mountains.
It is beautiful.
I have a place up in New Hampshire.
You have?
Mm-hmm. Go Friday night, stay that night, and then from Saturday morning, go to the mountains. Frickin', if you want to camp there on the mountains, camp there on the mountain.
That will work.
Yeah, oh, so now it works.
That will work. Sadly, that never happened. But you know, Devin, it'll happen someday. We'll make it happen. Fall came and went, still nothing. The first snow fell, still nothing. I was dreaming what it was like up there. I would constantly check the Mount Washington webcams just to see the summit all snowy and fogged in. In the last 2 weeks of 2018, I said to myself that this year is going to end up being a white mountain this year. But then Christmas came, and boy was I in for a surprise. I opened the first gift, which was a box full of paper shreddings, and inside were crumpled up balls of paper that had letters on them. We spent a few minutes trying to figure it out, and when we did, we were shocked. Can't you tell here? We had just gotten a 5-day ticket to the White Mountains for 2 days of skiing. I was hyped. It was my chance to finally go to the Whites in the winter.